Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today is teach you make quilting pattern. Open DGS program. Click System Setup. Click on it and we need to find the tool to use. OK. In Length Unit to choose the unit. OK. We need draw lines with the Intelligent Pen tool. Hold down the left button to draw a rectangle. Write the pattern size in the table. Hold down the space bar and click right button to show all design. Also, you can hold down the space bar and scroll. Mouse hold to zoom in and zoom out. Use the divider tool to divide the lines equally. Write equal parts here. Left-click on left point. Right-click to change to point function. Left-click on right point to add points. Again. Use Intelligent Pen left-click on the point. Right-click to change to T-rule function to draw vertical line. Left-click on line to finish. Draw horizontal lines in the same way. Use Move tool to copy lines. Click Shift to switch to the copy function. Left-click to select line. Right-click to confirm. Left-click on the start point to copy line. After all lines are copied, click Ask to cancel. Again. Use the Fofx tool to make pattern. Use left button box select all lines. Double right-click to confirm. Move the mouse to the pattern, and click the space bar to switch to the pattern move function. Move the mouse to move the pattern, left-click to end. Right-click on blank area to choose the sewing template tool. Box select all quilting lines. Right-click to display the sewing template dialog. You can follow my settings. This is the stitch length. OK. Use this tool to set the order of lines. Left-click the first line. Follow my setting. Again. Note the line order and the number. Use the sewing template tool to make location point. Click Shift to switch to the location point function. Left-click on the first line. The pattern was finished. Click it to save the DSR file. Write file name. Set paths and format. Use USB memory copy DSR file to machine. Thanks for watching.